Today I'm going to show you how to find a winning niche on Amazon that your customers are going to love. And we're going to turn that into a high quality, ready to sell design in 5 minutes or less. We're skipping the Photoshop struggle entirely because I'm going to show you a brand new double update from Ideogram, a popular AI tool that helps with image generation on demand. That's a total game changer. It supports native transparent backgrounds and new print on demand friendly aspect ratios. So no more cropping, no more background removal, just pure AI powered efficiency. So let's jump into the research. So I'm here on Amazon and I'm gonna go to the search bar and type in St. Patrick's Day t-shirt. This is one of the best niches for print on demand sellers all year because it is related to wearing clothes. And if you're selling print on demand clothes, well, it doesn't get much better than that. So now I'm looking at all the results returned here on Amazon, but you'll notice something a little bit different. And that is that I've got all this extra data underneath the product listings, basically telling me how well these products are selling currently. You can see their kind of purple colored number. That's the BSR or best seller rank, which is telling me literally how well these products are selling relative to each other. So I can give this a quick scroll and just at a glance, I can see like, okay, this has a BSR of 164,000, which is lower than a BSR of 180,000. This shirt right here also has a very similar BSR, 164,267. At that point, they're basically making the same number of sales. The one behind me here, covering it up, but it's got a BSR of 166,000. So these are some of the best selling St. Patty's Day shirts on Amazon and Amazon merch specifically right now. Now, what I want to show you is that with the Merch Dominator Chrome extension, which is showing me this data, it's showing me sales estimates. That's a monthly sales estimate, by the way. I think it's a little on the high side, but you can come down here further. You can see focus keywords that these listings are indexed on, which would help if you're going to run ads, for instance. You've got short keywords, long tail keywords, etc. What I want to show you is you can come down here to the download icon and you can click download transparent PNG image. And I'm going to do that for all 4 of these current best sellers in the St. Patrick's Day niche. Now, my goal is not actually to use these design files for my own sales, but instead we're going to pop on over to Ideogram and let Ideogram use AI to remix them in minutes. So I'm here in Ideogram. If you want to follow along, I'll link to it below. And all I'm going to do is grab one of the designs here that we just grabbed from Amazon using Merch Dominator. I'm going to click describe. It's going to use AI to describe this design just as it sounds. Then I'm going to click and remove the design so that it's not basing its outputs on the design from Amazon. That way we're not infringing or stealing in any way, shape, or form, right? It's just going to describe it. And then what we can do before we let Ideogram get started, I wanted to mention you can have it output 4 images at a time, which I love because then you can select the ones you like the most. Aspect ratio here, I'm going to select 4:5, which is great for t-shirts. Then I'm just going to add transparent background. That way, you guessed it, the output is going to be transparent. Now I'm actually blocking it here in the bottom left corner. Over there in the bottom right, you'll see it is generating the images. It only takes a second. And then once they're ready, we can evaluate the output, choose the ones that we like best. So you can see here, these are, they're okay. If we want to rerun it too, we can be a little bit more specific about what sort of font maybe to use. Also, when you have the transparent background, sometimes it's a little bit hard at a glance to kind of see and read what it says. But that was the first design. Let's go ahead and restart. And what do you say we run the second one now? I'm going to upload, this is the Pac-Man design here. In case you guys wanted to see, that is what we're working with right now. I'm going to go ahead and have it describe it. By the way, if you don't feel comfortable uploading something inspired by Pac-Man, you don't have to, but I'm going to go ahead, do the describe, and now I'm letting it generate the outputs. And just like that, it is done generating our images. This one I'm not probably going to select as my favorite. This one I think looks pretty good. We could also, if we needed to, pull that into an editor and just kind of move the shamrocks to be horizontal. Here's another one. It's kind of a unique take on it. This one is more in line with what I think people are used to seeing. Also, I like that the Pac-Man inspired little circle there that's eating is not yellow. So this one that's yellow is a little bit too close to the original if you ask me, but I just want to give you an idea of how easy it is to work with Ideogram. Here, I had already queued up the shenanigans with my nomies. So again, that was inspired by this design and we've got a completely unique separate design there. We've got gnomes with green beers and shamrocks. I actually think this one's the best. That one's really good. It's crazy how fast AI figured out text too. I mean, the text on this one's beautiful. They even added that little text effect on the sides. This one's actually photorealistic. By the way, when you're generating outputs in Ideogram, you can actually go in, they have a style tab. I didn't show you, but you can select different styles for the outputs. So if you wanted something that's more realistic, you can do that. Obviously for print on demand, I don't think that's best, but I think this looks great. Shenanigans with my nomies. And on the 4th design, which was inspired by the vertical American flag with the shamrocks, it actually struggled because the describe, it's not always going to be perfect for more complicated, like complex designs, as you can see here. So it generated, good looking outputs, but not exactly for my intended use as t-shirt design. So just so you know, like you can go in there and you can manipulate the prompt as needed to fix this if you think it's worth the time. I usually like to just streamline everything. If it's struggling with the describe, I'll probably just move on to the next design personally. But if you think it warrants spending more time, it's as simple as changing the text prompt. So guys, what'd you think? In just a few minutes, we were able to find a winning niche on Amazon with help from Merch Dominator, and then use Ideogram to build a print-ready, transparent, perfectly scaled design at the right aspect ratio, assuming we wanted to sell t-shirts, but you saw they support pretty much all the aspect ratios that POD sellers would need for a broad spectrum of products. Also, they can remove backgrounds. If you didn't have the background removed, they can upscale as well to whatever dimensions you need. They pretty much do it all. This is how you scale a POD business in 2026, by using the right tools to do the heavy lifting for you, because in my mind, time is money. So if you're excited about these new Ideogram features, drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're not using Ideogram, let me know what you are using. Hopefully you're using AI in 2026. It's about time, right? It should be your New Year's resolution, if you're not, to start adapting it into your workflows. So I'll have links to everything I used in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next one.